I'm super excited about this one, and Canada is at it again. Even with what is happening with the policy, they are still giving us so many beautiful things, and this one is another international recruitment event. So don't sleep on this. I'll just run through on this quickly. Yeah. So this is the page, and on the page you can see that there are some that are already closed. April, which I shared when it was open. Now we have two. There is one international recruitment mission construction, and there's another international recruitment talent pool. This international recruitment mission construction is for anybody in the trade with trade skills. I'm going to show you, but let's click on sign up to see what that entails. Loading, 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 loading. I'm so excited. I'm so excited about this. So please just do whatever you can do to get this. So here states, please select the field of work you would like to be considered for in the trades and construction. And I was surprised, plumber is even included. Plumber, hey God, oh. Painter is included. Common painter. Guys, please see, the only thing you can do for me now, I just want you to share my video. It would be so unfair if all these guys like carpenters, plumber, painters are available and they are not seeing this. So share with that painter that you know, that person that paints your house, that person that paints your shop. Share it with them. They have electrician, there's mechanic, there's carpenter, there's drywall, there's plumber, painter, heating and cooling technician, there's roofer, there's mechanic engineer, and other trade and construction field of work. There's also roofer. So I don't want this to be too lengthy. In my next video, I'll be showing you the details of how to fill these and the next question, because you can see when you get to this point, it's to say save and next. So let's quickly hurry to the virtual recruitment. This one is virtual, so you don't need to go anywhere. All this will be done. Your resume, everything needed will be submitted online. Okay, so you click on sign up. Loading, 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 loading. Yeah. Hey, I'm super excited about this. So if you're planning to go to Canada, please don't sleep on this one, oh, people of God. Now they have one for healthcare. They have caregiver, registered nurse, doctors, and other healthcare field of work. And they also have something beautiful for education. When I saw this, I was excited. Now all the teachers in the house, primary, secondary, primary is like elementary, early childhood educator. See, you've taught in school before, like wherever you are, whether you are in your home country, Africa, wherever, and you can show proof that you are once a teacher, you can get the certification. Not okay, I think that would probably like have certification. But for the elementary or anyone, as long as you have certification, or if you don't have certification, you have proof that you can show. Certification is a sort of licensed kind of industry that not just anybody can enter like that. But see, whether you have the certification or not, apply for this. Apply, try. See, at this point in time, don't miss anything, because where Canada is showing us some shege, but I know this will favor a lot of people. They also have some sectors in IT. They have web developer, programmer, they have cybersecurity, they have software engineer, and other IT field. Hospitality, hey God, when I saw this, I was say, God, oh, hey, housekeeper, can you tidy the house with all these people that work in hotels or house or cook? Oh, hey God, God bless them. Please, in my comment section, just say God bless you, Canada. All these people that brought this Prince Edward Island, just type God bless you, Prince Edward Island. They are about to change people's life, and I believe your life will be part of them. And I pray you get it. They also have trucking industry, truck driver, dispatcher, heavy duty mechanic. For this truck driver, ensure you have your license, your driver's license, and you have proof that you can let them know that you've been in the truck driving industry, in truck driving field whatsoever. Just apply. This manufacturing, they have machine operator, manufacturing worker, meat cutter, and other manufacturing field. And this one busted my mind. Hey, when I saw this bioscience, because they literally sometimes don't really had all this qualification, like quality control. If you are a microbiologist, biochemist, lab science, all these lab scientists, food science and technology, I'm going to go through it and still know what it entails, so that I'll bring about a detailed video, because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Also advice, just for you to be the best candidate, if you can already get some certification that can boost your application, please do it too. Some certification takes one day, some certification 4 hours. You get it online. Go to Coursera, get all these things. See, the aim of this video, I want at the end of after watching this video and you've applied, you come and say, Chioma Evo, thank you so much for that video. I got this. God bless you. I hope you are aware that French speakers are now like the king of the boys, or the king of those that are in town now. So if you would like to learn French, I have this beautiful offer for you. Is I'm collaborating with Wazo on this. Is learn French in 3 months and it's online for beginners. The course covers conversational skills, basic grammar, pronunciation, and speaking. And the learning method, we have various learning methods. We'll be using music, movies, videos. There'll be weekly assignment. There'll be weekend classes, and there'll be monthly exams. And what is our learning goal? To learn French while having fun in the process. See, this Canada thing, don't only go with your, say you. At least learn this. Learning a language puts make you to be on top. Now, how much is the fee? See, just 5,000 naira. Hey, in naira, oh, not in dollar. Is that not nice? Oh, hey, don't miss this. So, for more information, contact info@evo@gmail.com or this phone number +234 9041 553 223. I'll call it again +234 9041 553 223, and it's WhatsApp only. We are not going to miss this opportunity. We are going to be picked when you apply for that virtual recruitment or the other recruitment for trade. You are going to get it, but still attach, still let them know that I can speak French, je parle français, and I wish you the best of luck. See you in another video. Bye for now.